welcome back to Freedom Village Hunt Club Renovation. It's been a while since we've been here. Last time we were here, we were doing some demos, so let's go inside and check it out and see where we're at. Hey John, what's going on here in Bistro today?
Well, Ryan, we are definitely moving along. We have all the plumbing drains in. We have all framing up. We also have electric, mechanical, and plumbing all in. Drywall's finished, paint started. We also have some wall covering started too.
What are we looking at in the next couple weeks here to have done?
The next couple weeks we're gonna start flooring. We have some sprinkler heads we're gonna replace. We also have ceiling grid that's going in. That's where we're at.
Hey, everything looks great around here. We'll see you next time at the next video update.
Thank you, Ryan.